So if you've watched my tutoring videos, many people ask this question: is your handwriting natural, or have you done anything to make your handwriting get that look? Well, to be honest, my answer to your question is that no, it is not 100% natural. I did do effort growing up. I did practice and do a lot of things to improve my handwriting. And one of my best advice I can give to improve your handwriting, if you're not looking to do it the traditional way, traditionally the hard and patient way, you can just keep practicing a lot of tracing. You can just keep doing a lot of writing and writing and writing, and eventually you're gonna get the hang of it. But the key to good handwriting is good control over your fingers, your hand and fingers, the way you hold the pencil, the way you move the pencil, your fingers your grip on the pencil, because all of us have different grips on the pencil, all of us have a different style, and etc. So that's the key to a good handwriting. And one of my best or personal advice to improve this key is art. Practice art. Art is something that is fun, you're not gonna get bored of it so easily, and it's gonna help you to build a sense of creativity in your head. This sense of creativity is crucial to achieving a good handwriting, because a good handwriting is not something that you're copying, it's something that you make up yourself. Everybody has their own style in their good handwriting, their own trademark, and that comes from your sense of creativity. Art is something that's gonna help you build a sense of creativity. It's gonna help you get control over your fingers. It's gonna help you get that perfect grip on that pencil, which is gonna eventually help you to move that pencil into that, or pen, whatever, into that perfect handwriting. So if you're looking to improve your handwriting, or achieve a better handwriting, a neater handwriting, the best tip I would say is get into art in your free time. Just try practicing some complex sketchings, complex drawings, and etc., just to keep your hands in motion, just to keep yourself practicing with this finger grip, and eventually, without you realizing, you yourself are gonna find that perfect grip on the pencil, the perfect form, the perfect style, and it's just gonna help you to build up to that perfect handwriting.